So today we're going to use the Ebin Edge Control, the Shine and Jam Eco Styler Gel. I have some clips, some duckbill clips, all-purpose comb, rat tail combs. I have some mousse for maximum hold, the olive oil super hold spray, and then I have my mint manipulation oil. So right now I'm opening 2 packs of the Kankaline braiding hair and I'm stretching the ends. So as you guys can see, the back of her hair is really short. It was probably about an inch long. And now I'm parting her hair down the middle because we're doing 8 braids. A trick I learned to help me part better is to take some of the Shine and Jam and rub it down the part. And it really helps grip the hair a little better when trying to get a very straight part. I use the Ebin Edge Control on this area because her baby hairs are fine and they were kind of a little bit hard to part through. And as you see, the Edge Control kind of just slicks them right in place. When you begin the braid, you want to make sure you put the product on each side of the braid and then down the middle as well. And here I mix the Shine and Jam with the Ebin Edge Control. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe.